How to find your PIN in Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, open up Roblox and make sure that you're logged in with your Roblox account. Now from this home page, navigate to settings icon from the top right corner and click on it. A drop-down box will pop up. From here, click on Help and Safety. Now under Help and Safety, click on the first option that says Help Center. Now there you'll have a search bar, and here you have to search for an article as PIN. Type in PIN, scroll down a bit and click on I forget the PIN option. That will take you to this page. Here it says, to reach customer support, please use the contact form. You'll have a link to contact form, click on it. That will take you to next page with this contact form and it says contact us. Now you have to contact to Roblox support center. So for that, first of all, you have to enter your username, which is here by default. And under that, you have to enter your first name. That's optional. If you want to skip that, you can do that as well. Under that, you have to enter your email address associated with your account. And again, under that, confirm your email address. Under this email address, you will receive an email from Roblox, which will help you to know your PIN. Under that, it says issue detail. So first of all, you have to select your device. And under that, there is a category, click on it. And from this drop-down box, click on the first option that says account hack or can't login. Another drop-down box is there, click on it and then click on account PIN. Now under that, there is a description box. So under this description box, you can say that I forgot my Roblox PIN, so I want to recover it as soon as possible. Here you can simply type in I have forgotten my account PIN, so help me to recover as soon as possible because I can't access my account. After you type in your issue, then click on continue. Now, this form will be submitted to Roblox support and it will get back to you through an email. It will send email in this email address and that will help you to find out your PIN. So this is the way to know about your PIN or to reset your PIN. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.